The garden's choice. In Nanny Dolores's garden, tall and bright, the sunflowers danced in golden light. But something new was growing clear. The smaller plants had shrunk in fear. Why are the daisies turning gray? The garden's magic fades away. Nanny Dolores knelt with gentle care. Each plant needs space to grow and share. The sunflowers grew so tall and wide, they blocked the light from every side. No one asked the daisies what they need, they just got crowded out like every smaller seed. "That's not fair," said Sam with a frown. "The big ones push the small ones down." Nanny Dolores nodded. When one voice rules the rest, the garden like a country can't be at its best. Andy called her garden friends around. Every plant deserves its ground, but who decides where sunflowers stand? "We all decide," said Scout. "That's how we share the land." They held a garden council right then and there. Each friend spoke up, each voice got air. Buzz said, "Shift the sunflower row." Flora said, "Give the small ones room to grow." "But the sunflowers won't like moving back," said Sam, looking worried at the track. "Then we vote," said Andy, standing tall. "The choice belongs to one and all." Paws and wings and shells raised high, every friend was heard beneath the sky. The vote was clear. Make room for all. Shift the tall so none would fall. Scout cleared soil. Flora guided seeds. Buzz spread pollen where the garden needs. Tara steadied earth as rows were moved together, working, together proved. The sunflowers shifted row by row, and now the daisies began to glow. Their petals stretched, their colors came back. The garden regained the life it lacked. Nanny Dolores smiled. "You've shown it's true, the garden's power belongs to you. Not to the tallest or the loud, but to every voice inside the crowd." The friends sat in the circle where the garden council had voted, watching sunflowers and daisies grow together. "We didn't let one plant decide for everyone." "And the sunflowers moved," said Scout, "because the garden chose together." Nanny Dolores smiled. When everyone gets a voice, everyone grows. The power's not in crown or throne, not in the tallest voice alone. It lives in every heart and hand. The people choose how things will stand. When sunflowers share with daisies small, when every voice is heard by all, the garden blooms with colors true because the choice belongs to you.
You can also read our stories. They're available on Amazon in ebook and paperback version. Thanks for watching.